would like to say that for students, when we talk about students, in this entire system, if we talk about all the components of the school ecosystem, online teaching has been easiest for the students. These students, for them, technology is an extension of their conscience. These students, our children, the generation Z children, the generation Alpha children, for them, technology is not something that they need to grapple with. They are very comfortable with technology, be it WhatsApp or Snapchat or WebEx, Zoom. I mean, I do not even know the names. I'm sure the children are well versed with everything. So for them, it is like education anywhere, anytime. So they are the least affected. In fact, they are feeling at home with this kind of a change. At home, not literally, they are at home, but when I say they are feeling at home, I want to say that it is a very easy proposition for them. And I would also like to say everybody has been sharing some beautiful things that you all are doing at your school, but we have to understand one more thing. I'm sorry, I'm trying to generalize a little, but I would like to say that when we think of rethinking the entire school ecosystem, coronavirus has been a rude shock for us. But coronavirus or no coronavirus, in the year 2020, we have to change ourselves. We cannot go on with the old concepts because the educator, the student, the parents, all of us have to collaborate in a different way, because there are a number of jobs that would be coming up later in life, say 10 years from now, 2030 onwards. It is said, as per Dell Technologies, it is said that after 2030, the kind of jobs that would be created for our generation next, they aren't even invented. Most of the jobs do not even exist today. So coronavirus has been a rude shock, and it has perhaps given us the way, because we can find opportunity in adversity. So our teachers have to change their style, and they have to ensure that they are able to offer the child much more than what technology can do. As Devika ma'am said, Anita ma'am and Charu ma'am, all of you said the same thing, that the teachers cannot be replaced. Yes, I agree to that. Teachers, the human teacher cannot be replaced. You can just give knowledge, but the skills, that critical thinking, that ability to show compassion for others, the emotional quotient, that can be provided only by the teacher.